Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Trump administration restores nearly $2 billion in mental health grants. Mednews. The Trump administration had planned to end nearly $2 billion in federal grants for mental health and addiction treatment programs overseen by the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, SAMHSA. Thousands of grants were suddenly terminated on Tuesday, but the decision was reversed by Wednesday after national outrage. U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. reinstated the $2 billion in SAMHSA grants, which support thousands of programs providing care for mental illness, substance use disorders, and recovery. Among the affected programs were the Opioid Response Network and the Building Communities of Recovery program. The funding reversal comes as the Trump administration is also moving forward with major Medicaid cuts, which are expected to affect public health services including mental health and addiction care. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak